Rub it on your head so it's smart like you.
Addison, look.
On your face to give it your pretty, pretty look.
Let's choose a foreign friend you want. Hi, this is Naila. Could I get like a band?
I'm only letting him get these because
Is that good?
Yeah.
Awesome. It is $12.99. Is that okay with you? Awesome. Let me just put that on your bear. Of course, you're putting into your little paw. That's what you're going to do right here. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this one? Jonah, these ones?
Kenji. Here, what do you want to name this?
Awesome. So now you're going to help me by stepping on the pedal to stuff up your bear and whenever you're ready. You already picked out your heart? Or not yet? Okay, so you're gonna pick out whichever heart you like at the top. So either it's like SeaWorld Rescue. But this is for Naila. So what do you want to get that one, the heartbeat? Is that okay with mom? That's for the unicorn.
Of course.
Are you a heartbeat? Awesome. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the exact same thing I do with my heart, okay? You're gonna start replacing your heart in your palm like this. So you're gonna start rubbing like this. Rub, rub, rub. To get your heart nice and warm for your bear. Then you're gonna give us some CPR. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. You gotta start rubbing out your muscles so your bear gets big and strong just like you. Rub it on your head so it's smart like you.
Addison, look.
On your face to give it your pretty, pretty look. Give it a big kiss to give it all of your love. And then you're going to place your heart right where your heart is at. Close your eyes and make a wish.
Goodbye.
I am going to take your card so I can take all of that. It is $10 extra. Is that okay with you? Awesome. And I'm going to give this back to you so you can put it yourself into your bear. And it becomes alive.
Please birthday present. Can I please get a
You got shoes.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
It's very cute, but let me see if I can get it.
Okay. So that way when you hug your bear really, really tight, you can actually feel the hug. Is this your first time on Build-A-Bear? Yeah? How exciting. So after I'm done sewing up the bear, you're going to head to this computer right over there. And using this tag, you scan this part right here. And what was that? Yeah, you can name it. Do you know what you're going to name your bear? It's a secret? Oh, cute. Alright. Here's your bear. Do you feel the heartbeat? Really tight? And then you press the little paw for the voice recording, okay? Then it's the other one.
same as my name, Naila. This is my bear birth certificate. Come on over if you wanna
good time. No more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, they said our mind and bodies intertwined. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so.
Like me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, watch Naila grow for more videos. Bye.